We hear the word network all the time, but what is it really? Let's grade it down.
How do all your gadgets talk to each other? Well, the answer is actually pretty simple. At its core, a network is just two or more devices sharing info. That's pretty much it. Basically, it just lets our devices talk to each other. It's all about communication.
Let's make this real. We'll start with a network you use every single day, your home. You've got your laptop, your phone, maybe a smart TV, all these different devices, right? So, how do they all connect and get online? What's the secret sauce here?
It's all thanks to this little box, the router. Think of it like a traffic cop for data. The router connects everything together and lets all your devices share one single internet connection. Okay, so that's a small network. Now let's zoom way out for the big picture. We're talking about the biggest network there is, the internet. It's absolutely massive. It's really just a giant network of networks. It connects millions of smaller ones, like yours. So your home network is like a neighborhood street. The internet, that's the global superhighway.
Okay, but how does this actually work? Let's use a real-life example to see it in action. When you stream a movie, you ask a server for it. It sends the movie back in tiny pieces.
So let's recap the key stuff. Networks connect devices, routers direct local traffic, the internet connects it all.
These networks are the invisible connections that literally power our entire digital world. They're everywhere.
So networks connect all our devices today. What do you think they'll connect tomorrow?
If you learned something new in this video, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next bite.